Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add page number in Word. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So here is my Word document, and as you can see, I have 5 pages right here. And if I want to add page number to them, what I can do is to head over and then click on this insert button. And then from in there, you should be able to see a page number option as well. In here, you can see page number. So click on that and you can also choose wherever you want to put it. It can be top of page, bottom of page, and from in there. So for example, it's added on the bottom of page and you can see in here some formats. It can be on your left side, on the middle, on your right side, and you can also put in here an accent bar. So for example, for this case, let's head over and add in here accent bar. So let's click on this right here. And then as you can see on the footer, there are new page numbers. So let me enlarge them. And as you can see, we have in here one page, then the second page, and then also the third page, as well as the fourth page, and also the last page that we have, which is page 5. So from in there, just head over and save your progress, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!